Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? This video is about perfect hedge expert advisor. We have been trading with this expert advisor from last from 31st of July, and today is 1st of March. So it's 7 months that we completed. February was just having 29 days, so we just completed. Okay, so it is the record of 7 months, and there are a couple of features that I would like to focus on. One is plug and play convenience. There is no complex setting. Actually, there are complex setting, but you just have to install it on just the chart of whatever you like, and just auto trade. Just click on auto trade, and it's done. Right? Just install it and just click auto trade and watch it works. And trend trading expertise. That means like perfect hedge employs a powerful trend trading strategy. It intelligently executes the trades based on the current trend on your chosen time frame, and it uses the pending orders also uh, to enter the trades and adapt to evolving market trends seamlessly. Okay, and then these orders strategically to optimize your trading. Of course, the name, as it is perfect hedge, so it is using innovative hedging strategy. It primarily trades with the trend, but the perfect hedge also incorporates an ingenious hedging strategy. When the market direction changes, it used to uh, take the hedging strategy accordingly. So this strategy allows you to capitalize on market movements even when the trend changes unexpectedly. There is intuitive dashboard where you can stay in control with the user-friendly dashboard, where it provides real-time updates on ongoing trades, profit and loss status, leveraging and margin information, and current spreads. You can also manually manage your trades with ease. So uninterrupted trading, like perfect hedge, just install it and you just uh, let it trade on its own on your behalf. Multi-currency support, that means like it can trade on any currency pair. It can use even on metals, gold, and each and everything. While you need to calculate your risk level, because trading on metals with an expert advisor or maybe something that might be risky, as long as your capital support. Okay. So preferred pairs, well, it can be used on any currency pair. For an optimal trading, like if you are trading with with multiple pairs together, which I personally prefer because it used to diversify your risk as well as investment. Then an equity of around 1,000 to 1,200 is the minimum what I suggest. By default, 0.01 lot size on low and medium volatile pairs. And if you want to trade a single pair, then I would suggest around 1,500 to 1,800, or maybe 1,600 to 2,000. I would say like 1,500 to 1,800 for one pair, in case if you are choosing an individual pair to trade. So in such cases, avoid high volatile pairs for better risk management. Okay, time frame, we suggest this expert advisor that we are trading on H1 time frame. Okay, so let's go from there. So in the start, actually, we started with 10,000. That is approximately like 1250 per pair. 1250 per pair we started, right? And I personally like traded with like 1250. So the same I'm recommending. And in the start, like we use some GBP pair also, which personally I don't prefer to trade with an expert advisor. So later on, we removed that because along with other pair, it was not matching very properly due to, I think, like I had chosen the pairs very randomly. It was not something that I have thought much. But yes, I would suggest you to think before you are choosing your pairs. Use multiple cross pairs. You can use some major pair also. You can use minor pairs also. Okay, like for an example, I'm using Australian dollar two pairs. Like one is against CAD and one is against New Zealand dollar. Then again, like I'm using two euro pairs here, right? Three euro pairs, in fact. One is against British pound, and one is against Canadian dollar, and one is against the uh, USD. Okay, and similarly, I'm using New Zealand dollar, which is against Canadian dollar and against Swiss franc. Then again, Canadian dollar versus Swiss franc, New Zealand dollar versus Swiss franc. Okay. So I'm using like couple of different kind of pairs, right? So in case if some drawdown can happen just because of one currency, then it will not impact the whole whatever you are trading with. So I prefer to diversify the equity pairs, and for the same reason I suggested like 1500 to 1800 per pair, one pair in case if you are going to trade individually. This is the suggestion is based on my experience and whatever I have seen in the market, right? So I personally don't prefer to trade with the USD pairs. However, I have traded with USD JPY also in the same account. But personally, I don't prefer because that is kind of one-sided movement. Sometimes it happens. Okay. So if you're using multiple USD pairs together, then if anything bad happens sometimes, then most of the pairs used to go in the same direction, right? If the USD is strong, then the other currency are going to be down. So that will impact all the currency pairs that you are trading with in case if you decided to trade with only USD pairs. So that is the reason. Just use some couple of cross pairs, some minor pairs. It is not something that it is related with this expert advisor. I am talking in general. Like if you're using any other expert advisor also, try to find some pairs which follow zigzag motion, right? Zigzag kind of trade. The movement I'm talking about should be zigzag kind of stuff. So this is a record of 7 months. So just bear with me. So 7 months is good enough. So like I need to decide like whether I would like to continue this account or not. That I have not decided it yet. But just thought to create a video because since we completed 7 months. Okay, we started with 8 pairs. Then I think like I added 1 or 2 more pairs. Like I think. I can add more pairs because now equity has been better, but still, because adding more pairs, it will impact your the space required, right? Because it will take some more time to like in case if you are using a VPS and using multiple expert advisors together, then sometimes it used to take some time. I think it has stuck a bit, so just hold on for a second. Although it started working now, because since it is a record of around 7 months, so sometimes it used to stuck. So please bear with me. Guys, like whatever you are looking at, like this is not about the profitability that I'm going to show you, right? I'm not showing you the profitability. I'm showing you the consistency from last 7 months, what I year, because the drawdown is the exact drawdown is something that is the real truth of forex market, right? You cannot stop the drawdown or uh, okay. So you need to move with the drawdown, but the only thing is that how you move, uh, because if there is a uh, hole on the road, right, and you are driving, and it is must to cross that hole, right? So you cannot remove that, right? But you can manage your speed to overcome that kind of pit hole so that you can drive comfortably and can cross that particular pit hole properly. So it depends on your driving skills, your strategy, right? It is not something that is wrong or right. It is just about the strategy, because forex market works depending on the economy of a particular currency. If you are using Euro USD, then how the Euro is performing across the Europe and how is USD performing in the United States. So it is just whatever the currency fluctuates and all. It depends on what kind of economic things or the strength of that particular country. So we made a profit of 9054.74 in a span of 7 months. And if you like to see the running trades, these are a couple of running trades right now. That is around minus 264. I think we are using around 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think we are using, yeah, 9 pairs, right? So this is the drawdown right now. And if you would like to see the MyFX book, let me share it across. Just hold on for a second. Well, I have provided this MyFX book link in the video description also. You can just check it over there. Okay, it's there in the video description. You can explore it, right? So this is the growth graph. This is the balance graph. This is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph, right? So based on this, the daily we are making around 0.30%. Monthly, we are making around 9.44%. And the maximum drawdown in the last 7 months went up to 31.23%. This year we made 13.08%, and this month means today is 1st of March, so we just made 0.01% just on today. Okay, and right. So let's go month by month, like if you would like to. It is in 2023, you can see like in August 15.26, in September 11.07, in October 6.98, in November 10.58, in December 11.27, in 2024, in January it's 9.18, and in February 3.56%. In March it says just started. So all depends actually. All depends on situation to situation and the market to market. So this is the statistics, and you already will find the MyFX book link in the video description. If you have any question about this expert advisor or about any expert advisor videos that I have uploaded in my YouTube channel, you are free to contact me via email or Telegram. I have included both in the video description itself. Please feel free to explore, and if you have any question, feel free to contact. So that's pretty much it, and thank you very much, guys. And I will request you to please join my YouTube channel, as well as please join the Telegram channel. There are 2 Telegram channels. One is a very common Telegram channel where I used to include different kind of information, maybe about copy trading, not exactly copy trading, but about expert advisor, or maybe some kind of other forex information that might be useful to you. And I don't post it very frequently, maybe once in a month, or maybe once in 2 weeks or something, right? Similarly, the other channel is about EA. So whatever EA I have uploaded the videos on in the YouTube, you will find the information about each of those expert advisor in that particular channel. So there is no harm in joining those Telegram channel. Feel free to join. And if you have any question, you can contact me by email or Telegram. Thank you very much, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.